Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay. So I have started recording. Okay. So see, first we need to understand what is the benefit of PMI ACP certification compared to
Mhm.
other agile certification, because there are many certification available in the market. Okay, I have prepared this small document which you can see there are many certification provider companies. Okay, and they provide many certifications. So here you can see, even I have not added all the list. I have added only agile certification. Okay, so here you
Mhm.
can see Scrum Alliance is an agency, and it's provide around 5-6 certification. Skilled Agile provide 6-7 certification. PMI has 2 Agile certification apart from PMP and other certification. IC Agile, it's a international consortium of Agile. It's provide 6-7 certification. Kanban has 2 certification. PeopleSoft is a new company which also started providing Scrum Master certification and various other
Mhm.
certification on Agile. Prince 2, it's a very established traditional training provider, certification provider company. It's also providing 2 Agile certification. Scrum has scrum.org provide 6-7 certification. Less provide 4 certifications. So see, this is a certification business, certification market, and certification market is flooded with so many certification you can see here. Okay, people are often get confused, which certification is good, which should I go forward, which should I take, uh, which is useful for me. So these are the question, I think, even in your mind, like there are many certification, which certification should I opt? Okay, and
Right.
getting certification is an investment. It's a kind of investment. You invest your time, you invest your money, you invest your energy, and if you don't go in the right direction, all the investment, all the time, money, it will go waste. Okay, so in this scenario, I have I need to I really I would advise, actually, first see your requirement, what exactly you are looking for, what is your objective in my mind, what there are many agile methodology. So first you need to understand why you are doing this certification. Maybe you are fresher in project management. I'm not saying in the industry, in the project management area, and you want to opt for certification. Maybe you have already established career, you are already working somewhere in a good company, and you need promotion to do that certification. Somebody is doing certification for teaching purpose, so everybody has a different objective in mind to do certification. First we need to understand like difference between different certification and PMI certification. So all these different certification except PMI, what you need to do, you need to you need to search on Google certification provider. There are many certification provider company, and you give money to that certification provider. They will arrange 2 days class for you, because for other except PMI, for other certification you need, it's a mandatory to attempt 2 days class. And at the end of 2 days class, they will open examination for you. Examination is open book exam. You can write this exam from your home. There is no any proctored exam, no any monitor, no any software installed on your machine who can these all are open book exam. But except PMI, because PMI don't require mandatory 2 days or 3 days training. You have to prepare yourself, and you need to go to book your exam yourself in Prometic Testing Center. And either you can go to Prometic Testing Center and attempt your exam. Second option is either you so nowadays, because of COVID, you can attempt your exam from home also, for PMI exam, but it's a proctor exam. Somebody monitor you throughout the exam. What I feel, valuation of PMI exam is little more than compared to other exam, because other exams are not proctored exam. It's just a 2 days training, and anyone can attempt this exam. So if you have crisis of time, if you don't have you have children, you have to manage your homework also, and you are not in a position to prepare full-fledged for exam, because see, if you are attempt for PMI exam, you need at least 1.5 month of preparation, rigorous preparation. So in that case, you can attempt any other certification. But if you can attempt some, you can arrange some time for preparation. And if you see any value addition, because see, if you prepare for exam, it will definitely help you to crack interview, to observe all the knowledge, everything, because there is some examination pressure which will help you to learn more. So this is the benefit I'm looking for PMP exam. Okay, that's why I advocating PMI SAP exam over any other Agile certification exam. Okay, so do you have any question related to that, Neil?